Hi, I'm Andrew, one of the co-founders of Lightning Dental Charts. Today, I'll show you how Lightning AI helps dentists create legally robust progress notes in under 2 minutes per patient. In this demo, I'll walk through a crown procedure. As I speak, Lightning AI prompts me with expert design questions and generates a complete defensible progress note. Hey, Lightning.
Hello, I'm Lightning Dana, here to help you create your chart at lightning speed. Let's get started. Patient name and date of treatment.
Patient name, John Doe. Date of treatment, May 27th, 2025.
Medical and dental history.
Updated, no change. Proceed.
CETA's findings.
Yes.
Pre-medication given.
Not needed.
Patient's blood pressure.
120/60. Proceed.
Was any anesthesia given?
2% lidocaine, 2 carpules. Proceed.
Other details about the procedure.
Remove excess cement. BW with permanent crown after cementation shows margins closed. Proceed.
Other details about the procedure.
PT tolerated procedure well. Proceed.
Provided instructions regarding blood thinners.
Skip.
Prescriptions needed.
All. Proceed.
Last step, please confirm the dentist and assistant's names.
Assistant name, Jane Doe.
Great, the procedure summary is ready. Please review it if needed before saving it into the patient's permanent record. If there's anything else you need, feel free to let me know.
And just like that, the chart is done. No typing, no guesswork, and best of all, no gaps that could create legal exposure. So you can try Lightning AI today with a free 30-day trial at www.lightningdental.co. Thanks for watching. We're excited to help you chart faster and protect your practice.